Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Achilles and today we are going over the key to success. So, I was reading a book by Tony Robbins and the book's name is Money Master the Game. I'm not going to tell you about the book because that will be a long story. But as I stumbled around page like 200, I discovered what I believe was the key to success, said on the words of the very guru himself. I did my own thought and thinking time, and really once I discovered the sentence, I literally just closed the book. I just really wanted to share this with you guys because I really do believe that it's such a simple foundation of success that I needed to share it. So basically, the key to success is create a plan that works for you, that meets your individual needs, and you stick to it. That's it. That is the key to success. To create a plan that works for you, that meets your individual needs, and to stick to it. Think about it. If you create a plan, you have a plan that works for your individual needs. So we have different situations in our lives. Different people have different situations. Geographically, you might be in a different country. It doesn't matter. We have certain things that other people don't have. Maybe you have a computer, maybe you don't, maybe you have a phone, maybe you don't. So you have to work around things that are possible for you, right? But anything is possible when you really believe it, because you make it happen. So you focus on what you want, right? You start attracting it. But first you have to begin with the end in mind. So look at the goal. Look what you want to do. Look where you want to go, right? You picture yourself in that situation. You picture yourself with the house. You picture yourself with the dog, with the relationship, with the family that you want, the way you want it, you know? And you work towards it, whatever you want. You want that healthy body, you want that six-pack, you want that flat stomach, whatever you want. You can make it happen for yourself. All that you need to do is you create a plan that works for you, that meets your individual needs, and that you stick to it. Because the biggest thing is that people do not stick to it. If you have a plan and you have a way to get to where you're going, which we have the internet now, there's no excuse. There's millions of ways to get fit. There's millions of ways to make money. There's millions of strategies on how to save your money, how to invest your money. There's so many things. All you have is to put a little bit of effort into researching what you need to research, and that's it. So think about it like this, right? The only person that you should be competing with is yourself. There is no competition. The competition is you. You want to be the best version of yourself today. You want to be better today than you were yesterday. Right? That's it. You start working for your future each and every single day, and you work towards your goal. You want to know how you win in life? You win in life by living your life on your own terms as well and as fully as you can, for as long as you can. If you live life on your terms, you don't have to worry about the job, you don't have to worry about the person, you don't have to worry about nobody but yourself, which is the most important thing. You worry about yourself. You worry about yourself, you better yourself. If you want to help others and that's your goal, then you work on yourself. You get strong financially yourself first, and then you can help others as well. So whatever your goal is, all you have to do, then again I say, the key to success is just create a plan that works for you, create a plan that meets your individual needs, and you stick to the plan. You stick to the plan, and that is it. You stick to the plan, guys, and I know you're gonna get it. I just want to remind you guys that I love you, that I want you guys to stay safe, to stay strong,